If you are looking for an AI-powered web crawling tool to collect data for large language models, RAG applications, or AI agents, you have probably come across Crawl4AI. But is it actually worth using in 2026? Let's find out. What is Crawl4AI? Crawl4AI is an open source web crawler built specifically for AI workflows. Unlike traditional web crawlers, it focuses on extracting clean, structured content that can be directly used by AI models instead of raw HTML. Key features. One of its biggest strengths is its AI-ready output. Crawl4AI converts web pages into Markdown and other structured formats, making the content much easier for language models to understand and process. Another standout feature is its support for JavaScript-heavy websites. Since many modern websites rely on dynamic content, Crawl4AI can render these pages and capture information that basic crawlers often miss. It also offers smart content extraction, allowing you to remove ads, navigation menus, and other unnecessary elements. This results in cleaner datasets for AI training, knowledge bases, and retrieval augmented generation or RAG systems. Performance is another highlight. Crawl4AI supports asynchronous crawling, enabling you to process multiple websites simultaneously for faster data collection. It also integrates well with popular AI frameworks like LangChain and Llama Index, making it easy to build AI-powered applications. Pricing. Now let's talk about pricing. One of the biggest advantages of Crawl4AI is that it is completely free and open source. You can download it, customize it, and run it on your own infrastructure without paying subscription fees. However, you will still need to cover your own hosting and computing costs. Cons. Of course, it is not perfect. Since it's a developer focused tool, beginners may face a learning curve during setup. It also requires some technical knowledge to configure advanced crawling tasks and deploy at scale. Who should use Crawl4AI? So, who should use Crawl4AI? It is an excellent choice for AI developers, machine learning engineers, data scientists, and businesses building AI agents, search systems, or RAG applications. If you need structured web data without expensive licensing costs, Crawl4AI is one of the strongest open source options available. So, is Crawl4AI the best AI web crawling tool in 2026? For developers and technical teams, the answer is very close to yes. Its AI-focused design, support for modern websites, fast crawling, and completely free open source model make it one of the best choices available today. However, if you are looking for a no-code solution with a simple graphical interface, you may prefer a more beginner-friendly commercial platform. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and check out our other AI tool reviews. Goodbye.